Good day, all. I'm Dr. T. Arunmori, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Commerce, KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science. I welcome you all for the presentation on trend analysis. It is based on the curriculum of all universities on this subject. The contents are trend analysis, income statement showing trend percentage for the year ended, format for trend analysis in profit and loss account, balance sheet showing trend percentage for the year ended. Meaning of trend analysis, it signifies a tendency and as such the review and appraisal of tendency in accounting variables are nothing but trend analysis. Trend analysis is carried out by calculating trend ratios, percentage, and or by plotting the accounting data on graph paper or chart. Trend analysis is significant for forecasting and budgeting. Trend analysis discloses the change in financial and operating data between specific periods. The first year will be considered as the base year. Now you can see the income statement showing trend percentage for the year ended. That is the income statement, it is given. Like comparative financial statements, trend analysis is also horizontal type of analysis of financial statements. Under this technique, the profit and loss account and balance sheet of an accounting year are taken as the base. The base year may be the earliest year or any intervening year. Normally, the earliest year is reckoned as the base year every time in the base year financial statement is taken as equivalent to 100. All the corresponding figures in the financial statements over the years are expressed as percentage of their value in the base year's financial statement. I hope you can understand with the same format. Like we have taken the net sales, less your cost of goods sold, you get gross profit. Take your operating expenses, all the operating expenses as we have seen in common size, and selling and distribution expenses. So the total operating expenses as B. Operating profit we need to find out. So A minus B is equal to C. Now we go on for the non-operating income, interest and dividend, profit from sale of land, you get it as D. Total income, that is operating and non-operating, that is C plus D is equal to E. So total you get the net profit as E minus F is equal to G. So this, next we go on with the format of trend analysis and profit and loss account. It can be found out for sales, stock, profit or profit after tax with the columns of the first rupees and then the trend ratio has to be found out. Next, with the format of balance sheet showing trend percentage for the year end. The trend percentage ratio can be computed by dividing each amount in the other financial statements with a corresponding item found in the base financial statements. It should be noted that the trend percentage or ratios are generally computed not for the items in the statement as the primary objective is only to make comparison between items which are interrelated to one another. The same way we can find the asset side, total fixed assets as A, total investments B, total current assets C. So total assets A plus B plus C, you get the values. Same with the liabilities. It is represented with small a, total share capital and reserves as small a, total bonus and debentures B, and total current liabilities is C. Total liabilities is A plus B plus C. This is a format for it. The main advantage of trend analysis is that management can more readily study the changes in financial statement analysis between periods by establishing a base year and other years in relation to base year. We would meet in the next video. Thank you.